Hi guys, this is Yo-Yo from HSGQ. Today we'll introduce you our GPON 8-port OLT. And actually for GPON OLT 8-port, you can say the PON ports is 8 pieces. And for the uplink, we got 4 pieces, 1 gigabit RJ45, 2 pieces 1 gigabit SFP slot, and 2 pieces 10 gigabit SFP plus slot. Also, we got a ETH port and console port for further configuration. We can check the backside. We have different power supply design options. Clients can choose dual power supply AC plus AC or AC plus DC 48 volts. So this is the introduction of our GPON OLT 8-port. Actually, GPON OLT is very mature and hot selling models in our current market. So if you have interest in this model, can contact us to get more details. Thank you.